make sure you get away all your fake products. And you have to do everything on point, the elegant style, the elite stuff, everything. Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we will enjoy to interact and learn from each other. Our channel is all about lifestyle, traveling, cooking, shopping, and many other things that involve our daily life. Let's rock this together by subscribing, commenting, so that I can learn from you guys too. Cheers. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about unboxing. Yes, I want to show you something I added to my shoe collection. Are you excited to see? I think so. You're excited to see my shoe collection, something I added. I bought this because we have kind of like a function, and I was looking what type of shoes I can get and like this, and then I did find the shoes, and I'm going to show you. We are going to do the unboxing together, and I hope you're going to love the shoes, guys, like the way I'm so in love with these shoes. And I have to drink something. Cheers, guys. Before I take your time, let me show you what we are going to see. So the brand is Dolce Gabbana, Italian. So let's see what's inside, guys. It's kind of like also revealing, isn't it? The shopping revealing, but not the shopping revealing of the something like, but then it's the revealing of the down, the shoes, the bottom, not the up. So it's the revealing of the bottom, so you can have a look. And actually, I had to make like, I made my revealing video, and then I had to make the same position because I didn't want to change in other clothes to make another video. So I was like, okay, just continue, make this video together and like this, and then you have time. It's not always that I'm going to have time. Then you can see. So now let's see what is inside. Let's see, guys. So I bought this because I have a dress, and I was looking like, how am I going to style this dress? How am I going to style this dress? So I was like, I was checking my clothes, and then I was checking my shoes. I was like, no, I don't have shoes for this particular dress. So I had to start looking. Then I was like, okay, this maybe. So I bought them, and then I had to try, and then I was like, oh wow, this is great. I'll show you guys when I'm going to have everything, like you're going to see it. Will I do that? Maybe it will be difficult, but then actually you can have some of the things like on my Instagram page. You can see them and like this, So there you will see like the way it's going to look like, because when we go to this function, I'm not going to move around, holding my camera like, oh no, you need to have respect, so you need to be respectable if you want to be in this category of the elite. You have to behave yourself. That's the thing. They don't do like the fake stuff. You want to have the elite lifestyle, make sure you get away all your fake products. and you know you have to do everything on point. The elegant style, the elite style, everything. The elite, it's not about your favorite celebrities and like this. No, you don't go around holding your phone like taking the pictures and like this. No, it doesn't work like that. You can come and say hello, guys.
Hello.
Okay, so let me show you guys. We do it together. So these are my shoes, my heels, my sandals. You can check, guys. This is Dolce Gabbana. You can check, guys. You can check, guys.
There's an option.
How do you think? How do you think, guys? It's not just about like you wear them to go wherever you're going, you know. It's about when you wear them, you feel the richness in you, guys, and everything. So these are my Dolce Gabbana heels, and I can't wait to like to you know to have the feeling. So guys, this is my unboxing of my shoes from the well-known brand Dolce Gabbana, and I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Keep on subscribing to my channel. Remember, elite lifestyle, guys. You have to remember that. Yeah, so bye bye for now, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye bye.